Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some more problems on area of rectangle and area of square. The question is from exercise 15C, question number 7. The question is the area of a square of side 16 cm is same as that of a rectangle of length 64 cm. What is the breadth of the rectangle? प्यारे बच्चों, सबसे पहले हमें क्वेश्चन को एक बार दो बार ध्यान से पढ़ना चाहिए और हमें उसका मतलब समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है, क्या रिक्वायर्ड है। तो इस क्वेश्चन में वी आर गिवन साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 16 सेंटीमीटर। जो स्क्वायर है उसकी साइड 16 सेंटीमीटर है and length of the rectangle is given 64 centimeter and rectangle जो हमें दिया गया है उसकी लेंथ 64 सेंटीमीटर है and we have to find the breadth of the rectangle। हमें rectangle की breadth find out करनी है। तो we are also given that area of square is equal to area of rectangle and you know that formula for area of square is side into side and formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. By using this formula, area of square will be, side is given 16 centimeter, so area of square will be 16 into 16 centimeter and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is given 64 centimeter and suppose breadth is b. Then multiplying this, we get 16 into 16 is equal to 256 centimeter square, and 64 into b, that is equal to 64b. By solving this equation, b is equal to 256 upon 64. Dividing this, we get 4 centimeter. So breadth of the rectangle is 4 centimeter. I hope that all of you have understood this problem. Now you will try to solve the remaining problems of this exercise 15C. That's all. Thank you very much.